Hello everyone, welcome to PT Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 37th video in this series. It means कि हम already 36 questions जो real exam questions हैं उनको discuss कर चुके हैं. We have seen the strategies कैसे हमें reorder paragraph solve करने हैं because if your target score is 84, 66 or even 46, you have to make sure that you know reorder paragraph strategies ताकि आप अपना target score achieve कर सकें. First things first, that now PT is accepted in UK, so you can study, work on settle in UK with PT, and now 90% of Canadian universities accept PT academic, and if you're applying for a family visa, then you can go for PT home. My name is Bharat Bridge and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. Now students ask, sir, ये आपने कैसे किया? Then the simple answer is using the same strategies which we teach you, and if you follow, you can also score because so many students of ours have scored 90 overall, okay? So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. A PT reading, it is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90. जो students को लगता है जो total scoring होती है reading module की, that is 47 or 48 marks, and it has 5 question types. And today's video is about reorder paragraphs, which is the third question in this series. And this is the real PT reading scoring. If you see, this is what reading contributes, 47 marks, 48 marks. Out of that, reorder paragraphs 6 marks contribute karte hain. It means that if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be off 2 marks each, okay? And if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be off 3 marks each. Now the time, how much time you can take to solve one reorder paragraph? Approximately 2 minutes. Yes, in 2 minutes you have to solve. How we came at this number? This we arrived through our big data analysis and artificial intelligence analysis. Okay. अब 2 मिनट में आपको क्या क्या करना होता है? You have to skim it, you have to read the lines, right? Then you have to make pairs. The scoring is on the basis of pairs, right? And then you have to confirm जो आपने pairs बनाए हैं वो सही हैं या नहीं हैं. Okay. And this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and after that we are going to solve it. Okay, so you know that first thing we do is skimming. We skim to find independent line, and if possible we find conclusion line also. Okay, and independent line के there are certain rules and strategies, or you can say tricks, जिनके basis पे we can find independent line easily. Along with that, we use process of elimination, and which is our best friend forever. In process of elimination, we eliminate all the wrong options and then we see कि कौन सी line we have which can act as an independent line. Okay, so now let's quickly skim through it. Not an ordinary book but a literature book. क्या ये आपको independent line लग रही है? नहीं, because जिस तरह से बात हो रही है, so it's saying that कि कोई ordinary book नहीं, एक literature book. So more or less it's like independent line नहीं लग रही है कि book की कोई बात हुई होगी, right? So that's why we are going to eliminate it. What I did is what you will need to do. जो मैंने किया वो आपको करना है. क्या ये independent line हो सकती है? The answer is no. कि आपने क्या किया, कुछ ना कुछ तो पहले बताया होगा, तभी आप ऐसे बोलते हो ना किसी को कि मैंने ये किया और जो मैंने किया वो तुम्हें भी करना है. सो ओके, सो यहाँ पे ये भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं है. ओके, एंड मोर ओवर अगर आपने हमारे लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए हैं, यू नो आवर स्ट्रैटेजी. व्हाट के साथ जनरली कभी भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन स्टार्ट नहीं होती है. I would do extensive literature reading and think about how I could do as well as they had done. अब इसको अगर मैं ट्रांसलेट, आई नो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को लाइन समझने में डिफिकल्टी होती है, सो यू कैन ट्रांसलेट इट इन योर नेटिव लैंग्वेज. जैसे अभी मैं हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करूंगा इसको, आई वुड डू एक्सटेंसिव लिटरेचर रीडिंग. मैं एक एक्सटेंसिव लिटरेचर रीडिंग करूंगा इसके बारे में, एंड देन सोचूंगा कि मैं ये कैसे कर सकता हूं जैसा उन्होंने किया, जैसा उन्होंने किया. तो ऑब्वियसली जैसा उन्होंने किया भी दे आ गया, और ये आपको प्रोनाउन है. जनरली हम प्रोनाउंस इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन में नहीं यूज करते हैं. So this is also going to be eliminated. So using the process of elimination, we have eliminated these lines. Now let's see क्या ये एक independent line है. Let's read it and find it. For many years, I had been thinking of writing a book. Yes, this looks like a independent line. अब I यहाँ पे चाहे आप कह सकते हैं सर ये भी तो प्रोनाउन है, बट I एक इंडिपेंडेंट तो यूज होता है. ओके, I am reading. Okay, so something like this. In this context, this is an independent line कि for many years I had been thinking of writing a book, कि बहुत सालों से मैंने बुक लिखने के बारे में सोच रहा हूं. So we are going to drag it and drop it over here. Right? Now we have to use our strategies. SO strategy, subject object strategy, TO strategy, topic order strategy. These are two important strategies on which we can easily solve most of the reorder paragraphs. So for many years I had been thinking of writing a book. अब book introduce हो गई है. Okay, ये general बात हो रही है. Okay, then we have BS strategy also, which means brought to specific. अब broadly book की बात हो गई है. And then अब आप देखिए second कौन सा, not an ordinary book but a literature book, or what I did is what you will need to do, or I will do extensive literature reading. Right? A book or book depending upon our SO strategy, subject object strategy also एक पेयर बनेगा. ओके, क्योंकि बुक की बात हो रही है. सेकेंड थिंग, ब्रॉड टू स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रैटेजी. पहले आपने बुक की बात की, कोई भी जनरल बुक की बात की, उसके बाद आपने स्पेसिफाई कर दिया, नैरो डाउन कर दिया कि लिटरेचर बुक. ओके, so this is going to be our pair. So we are going to drag this over here. I hope the reason and the explanation is clear to you. Now not an ordinary book but a literature book. Okay. अब what I did is what you will need to do. जो मैंने किया वो तुम्हें भी करना है. इसको कैसे कहते हैं पहले आप बताते हो आपने क्या किया. I would do extensive literature reading and think about how I could do as well as they had done. मुझे एक्सटेंसिवली लिटरेचर रीडिंग के बारे में पढ़ना होगा और मुझे सोचना होगा बाकियों ने कैसे किया, मैं भी कर सकूं. ओके, उसके बाद आप जनरली कहते हो कि हाँ जो मैंने किया वो तुम्हें भी करना है. एंड इफ यू सी ओवर हियर, राइट, यहाँ पे लिटरेचर अगेन आर एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी. यहाँ पे लिटरेचर एंड लिटरेचर भी आपका लिंक हो रहा है. ओके, नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी बुक बट अ लिटरेचर बुक. अब आपको क्या करना है, I would do extensive literature reading and think about how I could do as well as they had done. कि मुझे क्या करना है. ओके, अब उसके बाद आपने बता दिया आपको क्या करना है, उसके बाद आप एंड में कह सकते हो कि भाई तुझे जो मैंने किया तुझे भी वही करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट आई डिड इज व्हाट यू विल नीड टू डू. और मोर और लेस वैसे भी ये लास्ट लाइन है, अगर लॉजिक समझ भी ना आए सो वो लास्ट में ही आपके जाएगी. ओके, सो ऑल द आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. So you see, if you know the right strategies, solving reorder paragraphs within 2 minutes is easy. And what is our strategy for reorder paragraphs? This is first finding independent line. You had seen today how we use this strategy. Then BS strategy. इस strategy का usage आपने देखा. Brought to specific strategy. Then CO strategy. Chronological order strategy. Connectors के through भी हम बहुत बार pairs करते हैं. TO rule, topical order rule, AB rule, which is abbreviation rule, then SO strategy, another important strategy, which is subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. So these are the strategies which you need to learn if you want to solve your reorder paragraphs. And always remember, you just have 2 minutes to solve your reorder paragraphs. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content. You have to find independent line and then find conclusion line, and this is optional. Okay, आपको पहले content को skim करना है, उसके बाद independent line जैसे हमने find out की using process of elimination. then in the remaining 30 to 60 seconds you can look for clues. अगर कोई pointers हैं use कर सकते हो, or use process of elimination to find answers or pairs. Okay, and all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. What is the proof? You can see in the ticker below. So many students of ours have achieved their target score, and these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90 overall, 86, 89. So if they can score, then you can also score. Okay, so this is our WhatsApp number, 8699121121. You can WhatsApp us, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.